Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Friends, in this video I am gonna tell you about how to fix frozen screen problem in your Samsung Galaxy F17 5G smartphone. So let's start the video, friends. So friends, if you are facing an issue of a stuck screen when you're just click on the application and screen touch is not working sometimes, and sometimes it is working. It's like a froze on the screen. So how you can fix it? So firstly, let's open the settings. If you have full storage, just clean it. You have to clear some of the applications, files, folders and images, videos to clear your storage, so it will not do froze sometimes. You can just go to the applications, click on see all applications. Now here you have to click on search, and here it is reset app preference. Just click on reset. Now click on Google Play Services and just clear cache by clicking on here, and it is clear cache now, and simply press back. So if it is not solving, you can just do a soft reset in your smartphone. By going to the reset, it will clear all your data from your smartphone. So before doing that, you can just back up all the data from your smartphone. You can do a software update. If you have any software update in your smartphone, you can do it. So it will change the smartphone settings and everything. So sometimes it will be fixed, and you can just restart your device and it can be fixed. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.